How y'all doing? Back again with another video. I got something to show y'all. I want to show y'all how to put a limit order on a stock. So we're going to go to just a random stock right now. Let's see, something that everyone probably know. BlackBerry. Everyone knows BlackBerry. So we can go to BlackBerry right now. As you can see the comments down here as well. See what people are talking about. 3 hours ago, 1 hour ago, he said this. You can see literally everything. This is why I love WeBull. You can see their financials. You can see everything right here. So let's go back to what we were talking about. So you're gonna hit trade, right? You see trade is right in blue, right there on the left hand bottom side. So we're gonna click that. And then once you are in this section, you're going to see Chinese. You see all this Chinese? So I know it's not Chinese, all right? So basically, you're going to see this limit market stop OTO. Do you see where the blue highlighted section is at? Once you go to limit, you're going to pick the price that you want your limit order to be. You see where this sliding bar is at? That is your limit price. So let's say this price right now is at $13.10 after hours. So let's say I want this at $12.80. When it gets to $12.80, I'm going to purchase 4 shares. You see where it says quantity? You're going to go to 4 or 1 or however many you can afford. Your buying power, see mine says $4.25 right now. I don't have no buying power, so I can't buy any. But anyway, we're going to go, let's say 1, and then my limit price will be $12.80. You're going to hit day because this is in the day. I actually don't know what these two mean. I need to look that up myself. I don't ever use it. I just keep it on day. Extended hours. If you are not on WeBull, I don't think any other platform. I think TD Ameritrade definitely does it. Actually, it definitely do it. Robinhood, I do not know because I do not have Robinhood, but you can put that information down in the comments below if they do offer extended hours. But if they don't, come over to WeBull. My link is actually in the bio, so that's cool. And then yeah, you're just gonna hit buy, and then as you can see, it says you cannot place this order at the time. Available trading hours are 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. So anyway, that was just an example on how to put a limit order on a stock. It's very simple. There you go.